Tired of typing full URLs every time you want to search a specific site? Set up a custom search engine in Chrome and search instantly. You know the drill. You want to look up a recipe on a cooking site, or maybe find a specific video on YouTube, but instead of just typing your query, you have to navigate to the home page first and then use their search bar. It is such a small thing, but it adds up over time. And honestly, once you know this trick, you will wonder how you ever lived without it. So here is the plan. I will show you exactly how to add a custom search engine in just a few clicks. Follow these simple steps, and by the end of this video, you will be searching your favorite websites directly from Chrome's address bar. Alright, let us start. First, go ahead and open Google Chrome. Whether you have it pinned to your taskbar, your dock, or you just find it in your Applications folder, get that window open. This will work on Windows, Mac, or Linux. It is all the same process. Now look up at the top right corner of your browser window. You will see 3 little dots stacked vertically. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. That is your main menu button, and it is where all of Chrome's settings are hiding. From that drop-down menu, you want to click on Settings. This will open up a whole new tab with all of Chrome's configuration options. It might look a little overwhelming at first, but we are only going to one specific section. On the left-hand side of the settings page, you will see a menu. Click on Search Engine. And here is the really important part. Do not just click the first option you see. Look for the heading that says Manage Search Engines and Site Search. This is a link, not just a label, so go ahead and click on it. This page shows you all the search engines Chrome knows about by default. But we are here to add something new. Scroll down a little bit until you see a section labeled Site Search. Right next to that, there is a button that says Add. Click that, and now, here is where the magic happens. A dialog box will pop up with 3 fields for you to fill in. First, you need to enter the name. This is just for you to recognize it later, so call it whatever makes sense. For example, if you are setting up YouTube, just type YouTube. Next, you need the shortcut. This is the keyword you will type into the address bar to trigger the search. Keep it short. For YouTube, you might use YT or Tube. For Wikipedia, maybe just Wiki, something you will remember easily. And finally, here is the part that trips people up. You need the URL. But this is not just the website's homepage. You need to find the search results URL. So for YouTube, if you do a search for the word test, the URL in your address bar will look something like youtube.com/results search query.test. What you want to do is copy that entire URL, but replace the word test with this, %s. That is the percent symbol followed by the lowercase letter s. This tells Chrome where to put your search term. So the final URL for YouTube would be youtube.com/results search_query %s. For Wikipedia, it would be wikipedia.org/w/indexdhp search %s. Remember, it has to have that %s at the end where your search words will go. Now, once you have all 3 fields filled in, go ahead and click the blue Add button. And that is it. You are done. Close the Settings tab and try it out. Just click into your address bar, type your shortcut, let us say YT, hit the spacebar or the tab key, and then type whatever you want to search for. Hit Enter, and it takes you directly to the search results on that site. No extra clicks, no navigating to the homepage first. This tutorial was created by RenderTest and hosted on Double, which is a platform for making step-by-step guides. So you know these instructions are tested and they work. Give it a try with your favorite sites, YouTube, Wikipedia, Amazon, whatever you use most. You are going to save so much time starting today.